Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Our House 21, and I've got my little buddy Nathan here with me. Say hi, Nathan.
Hi, Nathan.
Okay. Alright, so this is a cool one coming up here. So, as you can see, we've got a couple boxes in front of us. And
Yes.
yeah, and that would imply that this would be an unboxing video.
Ooh, cover boxes.
Yep. So, now,
Open it, Daddy.
I'm about to. So, you can get a little hint here as to what's inside the box based upon the label here. So let me go ahead and just do this one first. So,
Yay.
for those who don't know, I am a Venom sponsored driver, and I've been picked up for the Venom team for 2018, which is awesome. So I'm using my team benefits to flesh out my fleet a little bit. But actually, though, what's inside this box is a little bit different. So, okay, hold on. So here,
A battery.
yes. So what I've got inside the box right now.
The by thousand.
Five. So what I have here. So what I have here are two Venom 100C LiPo batteries. I have the
Bubble wrap.
Yes, bubble wrap. But that's not the important part here. Hold on, Nathan. So these guys, $5,000 milliamp hour 100C. Let's get this a little here. So as you can see, these guys, max charge rate 5C, 12.6 volts per cell, maximum burst rate 150C, 750 amps, continuous discharge 500 amps. So these are pretty beefy bad boy batteries. So I've got this one here, and I'm a strong believer that whenever you buy a battery and you plan to use them together, you should buy a matched set. So this right here is the corresponding match. All right, so for those who may be wondering, why am I buying more 100C batteries? Well, because I already have a couple 100C batteries. Well, this is kind of a, it's a mixed story. So one of the things that I love about Venom as a company is the fact that they have an awesome, amazing warranty. So their warranty includes, if you have a problem with your battery in the first year, you get free replacement. Well, unfortunately, I had a problem with a couple of my batteries. And I should go ahead and open it there too. So over the winter, I had a 50C 3S battery hard case and a 100C 3S battery, both developed in iffy cell. So, I mean, an iffy cell isn't the end of the world, but for the type of running that I do, I need to have things in tip-top condition. So I contacted Venom, explained the situation. So I got a free battery based upon the warranty claim. But given the fact that I need to have max set batteries just for optimal performance, I ended up doing some horse deals and got myself another 100C just to match it. So now I've got this 50C, which isn't a complete perfect match to the other 50C, but that's okay because I'm probably going to be doing 50C bashing, with the other cars on 3S. Probably aren't going to be doing 6S running with the 50C batteries. So that's going to be on these guys right here. So these are going to be my new workhorse cells. All right. So, and this is I'm probably still going to do some speed runs just for testing, but largely just to see the difference in performance versus the 50C versus the 100C. So I'll go ahead and set these aside. And you have probably noticed that I've been setting aside these little uni connectors. Because I've talked about these before. Great connectors, great for batteries, great for general purpose running, but I don't do general purpose running for most of my cars. So these are going to go into the drawer. when we're replacing these with castle connectors, just so that because I'm going to be pushing, as you see, is rated up to 500 amps. I'm going to be pushing something in that ballpark with these guys. All right, so next up. So what's in the big box?
Yeah. Yes. What's in the big box?
Okay, so the big box is something that's super cool and super special.
Ooh.
And I'll go more into detail with this. But for those of you who've been watching my social media, you've seen that I have just sold my Team
Daddy,
Orion.
open it. Oh.
You see, I just sold my Team Orion dual charger. The only reason I have that Team Orion charger, so I can get internal resistance numbers in my batteries. Well, guess what? Venom has probably one of the best overall chargers on the market here, the Venom Pro Touch. And this is a 1350 watt charger. This guy is ridiculous. Like I said, probably one of the best chargers on the market. So I'll do a more detailed walkthrough of this guy shortly. But one of the issues with this, and it's not really an issue, but with this type of charger, they don't have an internal power supply. So you also need a Venom 1300 watt power supply to power this bad boy.
That's enormous.
It's enormous?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, huh? So I now have one of the best power supplies to go along with one of the best chargers on the market. So this guy is capable of giving me all sorts of cool battery data, more than the Team Orion was ever able to do. And this guy here will allow me to charge in ways that I have never dreamed of before. So stay on the lookout. Lots of content coming. I'm going to do a more detailed walkthrough of this charger and the power supply, how they work together, how they're different than anything else that you've seen on the market. I mean, look, 45 amps charge rate. So this is going to be fun. All right, guys, that's enough for now. Our House 21 signing out. Remember the mantra: fly, fix, fly, break it, fix it, and do it all over again. And don't forget to check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and all the other social media. And if you have some time, come on and check us out at the RC Physics Sandbox on Facebook, where you talk about RC life.
Daddy, I love you.
I love you too. All right, guys. All right, RC Physics. Sorry, our House 21 signing out. Say Nathan. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Our House 21 signing out. Peace.